Hi everybody, welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. Today is the 156th day of the year and there are 209 days left. Our summer reading program has officially started. So now I have all kinds of events to tell you about in all three departments. So let's start off with children's. On Wednesday the 8th, in the community room at 10 a.m., is Ocean Explorers with Amazium, and those are for ages 3 to 5. Then on the same day at 2 p.m., there's Circuit Creatures with Amazium, and that is for ages 6 through 12. Be sure and register to save your place. On the 15th, via Zoom at 10 a.m., it's Let's Draw Ocean Animals with Rick Stromowski. And this is for children entering the 2nd grade through the 7th grade. And registration is required. That way you will get your Zoom address so that you can participate. Now in the teen department, they have an event on the 7th and the 14th called Money Matters. On the 7th from 1 to 2, it's for middle school and their parent or parents. And on the 14th from 1 to 2, it's for high schoolers. And both of these will be in the Glotzbecker room. Now, parents, for the middle schoolers, you need to register for you and your student. And high schoolers, you need to register also. Then on the 9th is Fish Fusion with Amazium, and that's going to be in the community room at 1 p.m. And on the 10th is a boating class. And that's from 10 to 4 in the community room. And registration is required for all of these programs. Now, the boating one is a different one. So be sure to follow the link that we supply in the description of this video. And then on to the adult department. Now, our June Take It, Make It for the adults is squeegee art. This is what it looks like. Now, there will be a video of how to, and check social media for that. And packets will be at the circulation desk. Everything you need to do this project will be in the packets. The little canvas, the paint, and the squeegee. Then on the 5th, there's going to be a video published on our social media pages about ocean facts with Miss Autumn. And on the 11th, which is a Saturday, we're going to start our dive into weekend movies. And this event, you need to check the calendars and you'll be able to find out what's showing and to see what weekend day it's going to be, because some of them are going to be on Saturday and some on Sunday. And on the 12th, there will be a video on how to make these cute little pinch pots. Aren't they adorable? Miss Desi's doing that. And there is a book here in the library called Pinch Your Pottery. And that also tells you how to do it and some other things. But Miss Desi will have a video on how to do these. And then on Sunday, the 12th also, there's going to be Meet the Author from 2 to 4 in the concourse of our library. And the author is local author S.L. West. And she wrote the book Freedom Rising. So come in and meet and greet her. So for now, I hope you guys all come in and take advantage of all of the events and programs that are going on. And if you have a question, just check all of our social media pages and all the information will be there. So until next time, have a safe summer. Bye-bye.